guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this shredder right here. So it does have a sheet capacity of 6. We're going to go on and just pull it up. Now this looks used actually. So it's an unboxing. Yeah, this does not look new. It does look like it has been used for sure. Because I can see there's a mark here. There's like a scratch there. There's a few things that let me know that it's used. Now let's take a look at this. It definitely does look used. Yeah, I can see it's a little dirty on the top as well. So again, this does let me know that it's for sure used. So it's something that I will be returning for sure. The inside, that doesn't look used actually. But everything else has like slight scratches on it. So it does let me know that it's used. So again, I did buy this new, or it did say new, it didn't say open box or anything like that. Pretty disappointed though. Anyways, other than that, we can see the basic functions up here. Plus all these warnings tells you what you can do, including credit cards you guys can place right here to shred them. Other than that, it should be a pretty basic shredder. Now, this is the important part. Now we do get a quick setup guide right here, which will be extremely easy, so we don't really need it, plus other instructions. Other than that, I can tell you that this doesn't look that big, so it's not going to take up too much space. I'm glad for that. Now what we're going to do is just place this on the top. Now that's what it looks like. Now the heavy part will be the top. Obviously this is just plastic, it's just like a trash bin. We're just going to take out the cable and then we're going to get started with shredding some documents so you guys can see how that's done. Now what I'm going to do is there's various options right here. There's overheat ready and all that. I'm just going to put it to auto at this point. And I should be able to see this light. It's a green light, so I can get started just shredding some documents. So what I'm going to start off is with just one sheet of paper. This is regular paper. I'm going to go ahead and place it right in here. Now it is on auto. And you can actually see how it did it. Now the shredding type, let me just take this out. And here is how it shreds things. So it is a little bit smaller than what you would see in the traditional shredders from before. This does make the shred pieces this small, so that's pretty good. I'm just going to place this back, and now I'm going to try something more harsh. So this type of paper is a lot thicker. This is more like what you would print photographs in, maybe something like that. It's shiny, it's way thicker. We're going to go ahead and try to shred that and see how this does. Now let me just turn it on before that. I forgot I turned it off. And let's go. Now that does a good job. Now I have 4 pieces of paper right here. I'm going to just put them together. And I'm just going to place them in and see how it does this time. And now what I got is 6 pieces of paper. So we're just going to put those together. And right now we're just going to place them in and see how well it does. It's better to align them. So there you go. It does a pretty good job. It does keep going just in case there is a reverse button here. Credit cards, I don't have any credit cards I can use at the moment, but let me just look for one. Now I don't have an old credit card I can use right now, but I do have this card. And it's really thick. It's the same thickness as a credit card. So I'm going to go ahead and test that out. So I'm going to place it on the small slot. So that's this slot right here. So as you can see, it did a good job there too. I'm going to turn this off just to show you guys all the pieces. Now there is some stuck here. That's okay. Just place that in there. So right in here I can see the credit card pieces. They're also this small. So if it was a credit card, it would be this small too. This was just a card, same thickness as a credit card though, so it would be the same thing. So all the pieces are like so. I would actually have to use this a lot more and test it out a lot more before doing a review. But as for an unboxing video, there we go. That's the basics when it comes down to this machine right here. And we're gonna keep going and using it a lot to see how well it does. Anyways, as for this unboxing goes, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.